Hello, hi, creative people. How are you? I hope you all are good. Okay. Well, I'm here with a brand new video, and I have a great and interesting and excitement announcement. Well, I just ended up one course that is UX UI designer for absolute beginner. On that course, what I tried is I tried to build a foundational knowledge for the UX UI designer so that they can get the idea. Okay, it's just for the beginner level. Okay, who want to enter into the UX UI design field, they can then they can get lots of idea. And if really they think, okay, if you think that is for you, then you can go deeper into that particular course. And on the first part that I introduced lots of module. Okay, there are altogether 7 modules, and if you find that you are meant for the UX UI designer, then you can go deeper into that particular course. Okay, this is about the UX UI design. Now, well, I have another excitement excited sorry I'm just now I have another what you call announcement, and I'm quite excited to announce that. Okay, so now I'm launching another course that is a logo designer course. Okay, this is also a very beginner friendly course, but I have a basic prerequisite here for the logo designer. If you have a good idea of graphic design, or if you can sketch, then it is good for you. Okay, but that is not a mandatory. It's not that you need to be a good graphic designer, or you need to be a pro in sketch. That's not the issue. Okay, but at least if you have an idea about the design tool like Photoshop, Illustrator, or and if you have a light idea about the sketching, then it will be good for you. Okay, you can understand very easily. But even though the course is even though if you are not able to use a Photoshop or Illustrator or any skills, still I will try to guide you some of the tips and tools and tricks, and I will try to give you the reference also where you can learn the Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So, well, if you are really interested in the logo designer field, then obviously you can check or you can follow my videos and the YouTube channel, and you can learn to become a what do you call logo designer. And by the way, why I'm teaching you is I'm also a logo designer also. I'm creating lots of logos, and I will show you some of them, some of my portfolio, some of my work on next class, so that you can get the idea. So how am I? Okay, so over the internet there are thousands of people. Okay, some are very expert and some are less expert, but still you can identify whether I'm good for you or not. See, to identify or to make kind of things, then you can visit my work. Okay, and then you can judge yourself, and you can follow. If you think that I can give you a good information and I can educate you about the logo designer, then obviously you can follow my video and you can learn from that, and you can proceed further, and you can be a good logo designer. Well, thank you for this video, and I will we will meet on a next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.